Hello everyone. Today my topic is about key constraint. So key constraint enforce uniqueness of a column, that is the column should not allow any duplicate values. So once we specified a key constraint in a table, then every record of a row enforced to be a unique and it does not contain any duplicate values. So once to specify a key constraint, we have to declare a primary key. So primary key can be specified in two ways. Number one is simple primary key and another one is composite primary key. So primary key means it involves in a single attribute or in a column. It means that in a simple primary key there will be only one primary key. There will be only one primary key in a table. So primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. It must have unique values and cannot contain null value and cannot contain null. It means that once we specified a primary key in a table, then every record of a row identifies uniquely and it does not contain any duplicate values and null values. So here we have declared a table name called employee. So and in this table we have declared a column name called name, employee ID, gender, salary and age, and we have declared a data type name called varchar integer char. And in this table we have declared a primary key in a employee ID. Once we created a table employee, then it will store like this in a dvms: name, employee ID, gender, salary and age. So here once we have created, it will form like this. It will form like this in a dvms, and here I have insert a values in the table. Like in name, I have inserted a name called like Ram, employee ID 1, gender gender male, and salary 20,000 and age is 25. So similarly I have inserted another employee like Ram, and another employee like Sam. So to I need the information of one Ram whose salary is 25,000. So here in the real world there will be a more Ram in the dvms or in the table. So I have insert only two Rams here. So to get the information of one Ram whose salary is 25,000 in this situation, so we have declared a primary key. So we have declared a primary key in an employee ID. So every record of a row identifies uniquely. So every record of a row identifies uniquely. So each row describes one individual. Each row describes one individual. This is another Ram and this is another Ram. So every row describes one individual employees. So suppose in a student database, suppose we want to create a student database. So create table student, roll number integer, primary key and name varchar 20. So here I have created a table name called student, and in this table we have a column name like roll number and name. So 1 urban, 2 urban. In the once we specified a primary key, then there will be no any duplicate values. Suppose if I insert a value 1 in the roll number, then it will come an error. It will not allow any duplicate values. So by 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 specifying primary key, so this value should be a unique. So once these values are unique, then every record of a row will be a unique. So these are the different person. So for example, if two students have the same name like Arpan, if I call Arpan in a class, both students will raise their hand. But if I assign a roll number for them, then there will be no any confusion. That's why we declare a primary key in a table. Thank you.